Alright guys, here we are on day 4. It's a new weekend, and this is about the rest of the time that I have to get this out of my parents' garage. So I'm going to show you what we have left to do. Hopefully we can get it done. A basketball game tonight to watch, so we're hoping before that, and that's about 12 hours away. So shouldn't be an issue because then we also have tomorrow as well. But let me show you what I have left to do. So what we have left to do is put all the cabinet faces back on everything and the hardware. So there's all those. So everything's got to go back on. I need to clean all of the canvas. I bought some mildew remover stuff. As you can see, we have a lot up here and like here and stuff like that, so all that has to get done. And then I found something to clean all of the windows too, because they're kind of gross. So we'll clean those. Over here, the table's not in here, but I'm gonna do the table. It's gonna have some more of this like vinyl adhesive stuff, but it's not gonna be the same pattern. It's gonna be more of like a grayish white, like shiplappy color. And then we're gonna paint the legs black. What else? I have to paint this because somehow I missed this when I was touching up last week, or I purposely missed it. I can't remember because this needed to be screwed into the wall and it hadn't been. This and this wall needs the adhesive. Let me show you the roll of that. You won't be able to really see it until I get it out, but it has this really cool like chevron color pattern. So I think that'll be fun. This one's for the table. So that one will be cool too. And let me show you the stain remover. So this stuff had great reviews on Amazon, so hopefully it works. They said it takes minimal scrubbing, if any at all. And then I read this one in an article about cleaning the vinyl windows, and apparently this stuff like takes anything off. So it said to use that, and they were using just a clean pair of white socks. So I picked these up from Walmart. All this stuff is from Walmart, except this stuff's from Home Depot. I grabbed a scrub brush just in case. And then I also got Mr. Clean Magic Erasers because those seem to work really well too, so we'll see how those work. And so yeah, what I'm gonna do is I kind of started cleaning and I put down some tape here, so I'm gonna turn on some music and kind of just do a bunch of random stuff. I think I'm gonna start with actually cleaning the canvas and everything because I want to give it time to dry. I have to fold this all back up tomorrow and drag it down back to get it parked because it needs to be out of here. So I think I might do like the mildew remover stuff first in the windows, and then kind of move on to all the fun stuff of putting the cabinets on and everything, and putting up the wall, vinyl wall and stuff. Forgot this. I also have to do the sink and then replace the sink, sorry, and then glue the whole little thing. I showed you guys this last time. Glue this whole thing back on because it was coming off. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Hopefully today and tomorrow. I guess it doesn't all have to be done today, but it'd be nice to have it all done today. Oh, I forgot. Okay, one more thing. This also has to be painted. I know I've looked over here like a zillion times. So what I ended up buying is I bought some like, because this is metal, I bought some dark gray outdoor paint. So I can put that there, and then this is gonna be the same white that was on the cabinets. So let's get going. Okay, so I just kind of wanted to get a little like part of the way through thing. Now if you remember, I showed you guys like, oh, there's a bunch of mold up here. I sprayed this twice, I think, and this is what happened. I didn't scrub this part at all. There were a couple areas I did scrub because there were some like black marks and stuff, and they were super easy to get off. And then on top of that, I did one window. I don't know if this is like a huge difference yet, but it's clearer, at least in my opinion. The only thing I need to figure out is like, there's like tape marks and stuff on here. I don't know how to scrub those off. I'm wondering if the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser will do it if I have to get something a little bit more abrasive. But it's a lot cleaner than it was, that's for sure. So this stuff works. I recommend, highly recommend. Okay, so we're working on, well, my dad is working on putting the hinges on all the cupboards in there, and I am working on the table, but it's proving to be a pain in the butt. So we'll see how it goes.